and I'm so happy with the people that I have. Yeah. No, like they're ready. They're ready for the event. No, the event was ready for me. So what next section?
The next day.
Good morning. Good morning. Ooh. That's another energetic said. So I'm going to bath now. I'm rushing this whole thing because I'm already not on my time. I was doing this here, preparing it. I'm going to install right after bathing. I decided to bath first and then install afterwards because steam and all that. I need to wash my face as well. I already did my bed. I just need to bath. I need to pick an outfit for today. What's my fit for today? What's my fit? I'll choose. And then we start our day.
Done bathing. I need to brush this back. I'm gonna trust a little eyesight that I have. Why is it? What the hell? How many man go to know there's something not right here? I'm moving it in and then fast around. All I need again. 8 and that's what we're thinking. Yeah, it's just a little down. It's not like now I'm dealing with some stuff not again. Hey, don't look at my armpits. I'm sure you all guys are probably looking at it now because I mentioned it. But you were probably looking at them before I mentioned them even. I can't tie this thing at the back. Yes, dacha. Glebe yummy. Glebe. No. Don't bend. Why are you bending? I think I should retake it. I just don't know which take it am I gonna wait. Okay. Am I satisfied? Nope. I'm not. Don't do this. Don't do this. Okay, fine. I'll just have it now. Come on. Just to hold it up for the entire day. Bend. Okay. Perfect. Is it? Is it? Nope. Yes. Perfect. Let's go. Me, I'm ready. Mama, you ready? Escape. He's also saying escape, that's right. But escape, that's the thing. That's making me laugh because what do you mean? It's a something like escape. Okay,
For the amount of time I had, not bad at all. Oh my gosh, my mom is really going out now. When she's out her room, she is going out. Oh my goodness. Right?
Guys, we're in trouble here today. And then we've got Natasha LaRue. She is a Pretoria-based part of experience. How is it like? My worry is, are you guys, you've got significant others, right? Is it easy to detect on a photograph test? How does it work?
The clouds.
Sorry, we can go back.
What?
I'm driving. Mom will drive us slowly for my liking. And we are late. Look at the time. So there's something going on here and I don't like it. The sun is on me. Sama snacks kuphela. Ngithi uyophatha ukudla mina. Ukudla kwani? Mami, even the class can see.
No, maybe it's got a temple.
My hand up to lead it to the place where no one can erase that we were there.
Gagodoriwa. Oh my god. I need to call my peeps and check them out. Uguti, like, where they at and what's popping with them right now. This is the stadium and we're waiting for the toilets. Because you can't name it. Kapanda fit. Why you looking at me so cake? Yes. See if this is driving. Right, you dancing ngaphandle. Hectic.
Bring me in my love. Set me loose and I'll go over and apart. I can prove it, baby, go wrong. You have to know now what you really want. Why in the house?
You all go back to high school if you want.
Need a woman for delighting, not debating. No fuss, frustrate, just titillating. So give me to my love. He got one my mind always remind me of. Had a vision, we went back to remember then when we were at that place.
Subscribe, like, share, and press the notification. Hey, that's something. Hi.
I want you to
Ay, mana masatuan nun ako doon na jalan Next location. Location 2. Ang puno ka ba na bantu yas?
Come on and take me where you wanna go. Please just make it
It's fun.
a place that I know.
Minang barbesalan ngas puno. Yes, white star. Noma singathathi 51. Mama saludos. Ndondo, I will cry. Sekasekile akasastones. Ichange yethu. It does actually. Ngeke. Konje, farmers market, I remember reading the story. Guys, musintelona. Unathiona. Seven second location. Shakira. Aí tá no Guys, I'm doing a vlog, so tatani.
Is it?
Angusino, guys. Angizibeni yakamboni this entire time. Dali wele ngimbona ngisayi. Angusino.
Wow. It's sitting up, guys. Sitting up. Hello. Hi, awungibuzi lokho. Awungibuzi lokho. Udali. No, get the next day. Yeah, go. This man. Please, that's the name of my life. I go for it. All over. All over. So the guys, before, which one was sick? I'm not going to life. Nothing is delayed.
You're not even a beauty.
I'm just coming some. Like when you open my bag, it's right on top.
Yeah. Those tags are like let's go, team!
Shots Melania story time. Some lady came to me screaming at my face saying nothing a shy lightning because they couldn't get food and the people that were serving them were rude, which was a lie because she was served by kids, coated by her kids.
the biggest, one of the biggest towns in India.
Hong Kong.
Whoa.
It's in India. Not China.
Mumbai. Yes. Relax.
Okay.
Idol.
Nah.
American Idols. Yeah.
We are actor la povelo also missing.
Does it matter to the right?
Ngicela nisu.
Wait.
Okay.
Yo.
No, yeah, me, I have hope in you.
Wait.
Okay, we're waiting.
National anthem.
No, yeah, national anthem. Mara. Nasamba ngisho sihamba ngemoto, sihambe ngani futhi? Ngenyama. Sihambe ngani futhi? Yebo yini enye ishile eceleni.
National Bopayo.
Handcuffs.
Hayi mara ngishilo police.
Oh shit. Ayihlenze esho yena.
Police wakho eAmerica bathi mayini?
Cops.
What you do?
And then Okay, since I'm
Sleeping.
Why you acting?
And then in Tombazana City,
Sleeping Beauty.
yes, Sleeping Beauty.
The next day.
Morning, guys.
Good morning.
It's the next day. We are up.
And we are
We are ready for the day. Talangeke kalungi kule industry. Talangeke kalungi kule industry.
Ngiveze nami yimi engibhadalile.
Bhataleni ke we.
Niyabafihla abanye abantwana.
Mara nawe hayi nasona.
Siyacabanga guys.
Cancel breakfast.
Beka okunye.
Guys, this is suits. This is like so. Tired is an understatement. Guys, happy?
I'm screaming.
Guys, na imoto yami lapha ke. Sharp. Sharp, okay? Ngicedile. Sinangimazi unjani.
Uye loyo mama loyo.
Now, guys. Now. Hello,
Ngeminye. Ufuna le. Post aqeda nomanda athi.
Uyitholile ifoni yakho. Times like this, you wish to be a taxi driver.
Right now I'm thinking of
Yeah, but
I've acted out my love staging.
I don't know. 6, 9.
Acted out my love staging. 10,000 people watching. I've acted out my love uyinto enobubele uyinto ethandekayo soze ndibuqhele ubuhle bakho ndimthanda
Iflawa lengenze ekuseni. Ngabenzela idombolo. Yasala. Seyiswele nomuntu oyenzayo.
Koke itombeleli manje thina sikakalidli mos. Koko leli ngathi alikho right leli kana.
Alikho ngathi. Awu lezi. Nenda kufuna umlilo omkhulu ozobahlaza ngoba isikhiyo.
So Ondo.
Is it's a cha-cha-cha. It's a cha-cha-cha. What happened?
What the hell are you so?
I did. I'm done.
I'm not there. And
Bueno, tipo seki emlilweni. Dula pela mata.
good night. Good night, guys. I'm singing apology and stuff. Good night.
Someone. Okay. Bye bye. Like, subscribe, press the notification bell. Always know that. Yeah? Yeah, always know that I'm just a girl. And hopefully this next video will come out soon.